to share with you and invite you to join us and gather with us on the incredible Stargate portal, the 8-8 Lionsgate portal, the Royal Codes activation ceremony from Crete, Greece, online or in Zoom. Zoom with us from wherever you are on the planet. We'll be gathering in Crete, Greece on this magical land of Minoan Palaces and the divine feminine Goddess Lineage. And I will be traveling to Crete to grid this incredible energy that we are opening on this powerful portal day. Lionsgate is the rising of in the sky of the Sirius star and the sun joining together and creating this incredible cosmic alignment that opens up the new energies of 2022 we're coming in, and amazing abundance and bringing in your new soul's destiny, your highest destiny. We're being called to join, and we'll be joining online at a beautiful sunset ceremony, 8 to 10:15 p.m. Greece time, and that is 10 a.m. California on August 8th and 1 p.m. August 8th in New York. And so join us and come with us and gather with us as we open and move into your highest soul's destiny, calling that in. We will be joined by incredible Crete sound healer Asamina Stamopoulou, and she will be working with her sound healing and her incredible frequencies of her Tibetan bowls as she opens up your divine nature, balancing your chakras. Each of her bowls has an incredible chakra balancing of these ancient bowls, and so we'll have sound healing and a channel transmission, as well as I'm going to Crete to open goddess temples and activate the grid and the portals of Crete. And so we'll have sacred transmissions from the Knossos Palace complex and also the Sun Pyramid of Herculeon in Crete. And so we'll be having these sacred transmissions within our ceremony. And it's also a supercharged day. The Lionsgate 8-8 on August 8th is also the new moon and sun in Leo. And so you have this double portal of incredible power to launch the new golden age, to launch your highest timeline. And so I invite you to join us, and we'll be at the beautiful location of the Om Shanti Yoga and Healing Center in South Crete, and our location faces Egypt. And so we'll be also joining and unifying these two golden lineages of Crete and Egypt in the beautiful 8-8 ceremony online. And you can click on Eventbrite, and you can also click on the event page at lightpriestesstemple.com for the 8-8 portal. The Lionsgate activation of the royal codes, online or in person. Come join us in Crete or online in Zoom from wherever you are, and get unlimited replay and join us at this beautiful ceremony where we'll be gridding. And if you've been walking with us since Egypt, this is Crete is the western point of this incredible sacred geometry where we ignited the base at the Isis temple in Egypt, and then we ignited and gridded in Istanbul, which is the top of this incredible diamond, which is two pyramids, one facing up and one facing down. And Crete is the western point, and so we're going to be gridding this western point on the 8-8 portal and opening this new, it's the foundation of all the sacred sites. It's the foundation of the creation codes for the new golden age. So I invite you to join us. Come with us as we bring together the global community, as you activate and amplify your soul evolution and your highest timelines and your soul's divine purpose. We're also amplifying the grid for all beings and sending it out for all humanity. And so as we come together as this beautiful global community on 8-8 at the activation ceremony, we'll be opening the new golden age on earth, opening within all beings. And so I send you so much love, and join us on Crete on August 8th for the 8-8 Lionsgate portal with myself and Asamina, and join us in union as one, and sending you so much love. And so excited for this union of the moon, the sun, and the Sirius Stargate for this incredible supercharged Stargate portal of the new golden age. Much love.